Assalamualaikum dear students. Today I welcome you all to another lecture which is about the evolution of Gandhara civilization. So let's move forward and look at the short introduction about Gandhara civilization. An ancient kingdom of Gandhara is located in northern Pakistan and eastern Afghanistan. Gandhara civilization was mainly located in the Vale of Peshawar, Potwar Plateau and on the Kabul River. Its main cities were Proshapura, Takshashila and Pushkalavati, and they are difficult ones. Thank God they are now changed to the Peshawar, Taxila and Charsadda respectively. The kingdom lasted from early 1st millennium BC to the 11th century AD. It attained its height from 1st century to the 5th century under Buddhist rule. So here is the map of Gandhara civilization. So you can see that Taxila is at the west of Gandhara civilization. Then we have Swat to its north and Peshawar at its center. The name of Gandhara civilization may have several meanings, but the most prominent theory relates its name to the word Kan means fragrance and Har means lands. Hence, in its simplest form, Gandhara is the land of fragrance. During 2nd century BCE, Buddhism was adopted as the state religion, which flourished and prevailed for over 1000 years. The people lived in Gandhara civilization were the followers of Buddhism. They worshipped statues of their religious person. The headquarter of Gandhara civilization was Taxila. Evidence of Stone Age human inhabitants of Gandhara, including stone tools and burnt bones, was discovered near Mardan. The artifacts are approximately 15,000 years old. More recent excavation point to 30,000 years before present. Gandhara was first mentioned in Rigveda. Taxila remained the stronghold for Aryans. So students, Shangro Stupa. Stupa, a dome-shaped building erected as a Buddhist shrine. Shangro was a religious place for Buddhists, where they offer their prayers. It was prepared in Barikot near Swat. After thousands of years, the ruins are still there. Here is another interesting fact that Nalanda University, the ancient university which holds prestigious position in the rich historical tradition of Gandhara, the seat of knowledge in the ancient kingdom of Magadha, attracted hundreds of Buddhist monks, scholars, students and travelers from everywhere. Gandharan art. So students, Gandharan art can be traced to the 1st century BCE and including sculpture, coins, poetry, painting and all associated elements of an artistic tradition. Gandhara art is a collection of various Buddhas and engravings of Buddhas in stones. Gandhara is not only name of an art, rather it reflects the whole civilization. Gandhara art was first influenced by Greece and then Rome. The birth of Gautam Buddha, his starvation and his departure from palace have been shown in Gandhara art. So students, this image is showing the departure of Gautam Buddha from his palace. So here we have completed our today's session. So today we have learned about Gandharan art and their beliefs. So hope you have learned from this video. Thank you so much.
Pride School System.